Today, I'm sharing 5 things I absolutely love about this automatic can opener and one thing I'm not so crazy about. Stay until the end to find out if it's a deal breaker. What's hot? It has a one-touch operation. You just push this button to start and stop, and there's no twisting, squeezing, or struggling. What's hot? It's perfect for arthritis. If you have arthritis, weak hands, or limited grip strength, this makes opening cans so much easier and helps you stay independent in the kitchen. What's hot? It makes smooth, safe edges around the can. It cuts around the side of the can instead of through the top, leaving smooth edges on both the can and the lid. No sharp metal to worry about. What's hot? It's totally hands-free. Once you start it, it automatically goes around the can and stops when it's finished. You can prep other ingredients while it's working. What's hot? It works on most cans. It handles most everyday cans like soup, vegetables, beans, and pet food, making it a great tool that you can use all the time. Now to what's not. It does require batteries. It's 4 AA batteries. You want to keep a fresh set on hand. The good news is the batteries last a long time with normal use, so it's a pretty minor trade-off considering how much easier it makes opening cans, but you do have to remember to have batteries on hand. So what do I actually think? For me, the convenience, safety, and ease of use far outweigh the one small downside. If you've ever struggled to open cans or you're shopping for a parent, grandparent, or anyone with arthritis, this is one of those kitchen gadgets you'll wonder how you ever lived without. Check it out today. You'll be so glad you did.